Great Hornbill versus Resplendent Quetzal. Who would win? The Great Hornbill, towering at up to 47 inches and weighing 6 pounds, boasts a massive cask-topped bill, powerful wings, and a deep, booming call. Its diet includes fruit, small mammals, and reptiles, and it fiercely defends large territories in Southeast Asian forests. The Resplendent Quetzal, though stunning with iridescent green plumage and trailing tail feathers, is smaller, around 16 inches and less than a pound, feeding mostly on fruit and insects. In a direct confrontation, the hornbill's size, strength, and aggressive behavior secure its victory.